In this episode of I Tried It, I test this side hustle that claims that we can make $5,000 per month with a faceless YouTube channel without having to do any of the work. Included in this video is a brief overview of what the original content creators suggest, how much money I make, and if there are better opportunities out there. So watch this entire video if you've seen this one and you are curious if this works. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're gonna do today is we're going to test this side hustle. This side hustle claims that we can make $5,000 per month with a completely faceless YouTube channel and creating YouTube Shorts videos in less than 10 minutes. So the original content creator basically says that we can jump on YouTube and we can take full-length YouTube videos and shorten them, re-upload them to YouTube, and make thousands of dollars per month. In this example, he recommends going over to this website called opus.pro. It's a website that you can actually use for free in the beginning, where you can grab links to YouTube videos, upload them right into this software, and it's going to spit out shortened clips. Now, I guess the good news is it's free in the very beginning. That's a good thing. Now, what I did, my process was, and I said, hey, what better way to take advantage of this opportunity is to use his clips that he says can help us go viral. So what I did is I simply just grabbed the last 5 or 6 videos, all of these videos, and I put them right into Opus Clips, and they spit out about 30 days worth of content. And so, I mean, the process is really easy, which is, something to be said. It doesn't take long. You've got the clips. You can just upload them into YouTube, and then money is going to pop out, so he says. So let me just show you the back office of my YouTube channel and talk about how much money I made, talk about if you should try this, and things that I don't like about this idea. So if we take a look, this is the back office of my hidden YouTube channel where I grabbed his clips. You can see here, I uploaded this for the entire month of June. And for the most part, I didn't get any more than 300 views on these clips. Okay, so problem number one, I simply obviously didn't make any money with it. One of the other problems is that I received a lot of comments about the AI was not good with subtitles, the AI wasn't very good at all. And so that's also something to consider. The bigger problem I have with this method is if you are going to grab clips from someone else over on YouTube, you're not actually building your own business or brand. And I think that's a huge problem if you want to be successful online, because people aren't going to identify you and trust you to make money. They're going to see Jay and they're going to see his content all over the internet, and they're going to have a trust and relationship with him. So while this software A didn't really work for us, it's okay. I mean, I could use it for my YouTube channel and create shortened clips for my YouTube channel, and I've actually done that before. I don't like this method because the original content creator says go out and find videos and chop them up and upload them to a YouTube channel. I don't like this method for you if you've never made money online. It's incredibly hard to monetize this type of content. You're not building a brand, and the content isn't going to be congruent with whatever offer that you're promoting. So I don't think this is a good idea for people that are just beginning. Now, I tell all of my students and my clients that you want to show up on camera. The best way to build connection with someone on the internet is to show up on camera, regardless of what you look like. You might have a face for radio. You might feel like I have a face for radio, but you're still watching this video because you've connected with something that I've said, and you can connect with my facial expressions and my eye rolls and all of that stuff. So I don't like this method for a number of reasons. One, it doesn't work the way the original content creator says. Number two, you will not build a brand. Number three, if and when YouTube changes its policies on monetization, because we know that happens every single year, you could be left out in the lurch, and then you're going to be back starting from scratch. So don't do this method. There are plenty of other ways to make money online. There's plenty of other ways to be successful on YouTube and TikTok. In my opinion, the best way to be successful online in 2023 and going forward is identify one problem, create content to solve that problem, and then you can monetize it in a variety of ways. For example, I'll just show you a few things that you could do today. Is you can go out to Google, you can go out to Amazon, your recent purchases, and you can take a look at recent things that you've purchased. Everything that you buy solves a problem. And so now that you have that product on hand, you can create content about solving that problem. It's really as simple as that, because if you had a problem and you solved it, there are literally millions of other people that probably have that same problem too. And what you can do to get started is create YouTube shorts about whatever the problem is. So for example, let's say we wanted to create content about cameras. We could do a YouTube short. So we're just gonna do hashtag shorts. If we look at my screen here, shorts, best camera. And you're gonna see that people are creating YouTube shorts about the best camera. So you could put together a short video with the 5 best cameras for starting a YouTube channel, or the 5 best cameras for photography. Now again, what I recommend that you do, the easiest way to go about it is to go over to Amazon or Best Buy or Walmart, Target, wherever you buy your things, and take a look at things that you've recently purchased. For example, if I jump over to Amazon myself, go over to returns and orders, these are all things that my family has purchased in the past months. Okay, we're nearing back to school. That's a great opportunity to create content. Back to school items are popular. Back to school, people going to college for the first time, the best microwaves for college students. There will be literally millions of people that are looking for the best microwaves for college students. What size microwave do I need for my dorm room? That's a question that people are asking, and you can create content to solve that problem. But if we scroll through, you can see there is workbooks for summer school, or for bridging the gap between first grade and second grade. You could create content about activities for your child for the summer. Those are all things that millions of people are looking up and looking for advice, and you can create content to solve that problem. It's really as simple as that. Is it easy? Is making money online easy? Not in the beginning, because you've never done it before. But once you've done it a few times, making money online can become easier because you know the way to do it. And so guys, it's really as simple as that. You don't want to overthink it. You don't want to try and get cute with all of these different softwares that claim to sell you the sun, moon, and stars. Just identify one problem, create content for that one problem, show up on camera and answer questions, and you can be successful online. Now that you know that this method won't work, watch this video next, because YouTube says it will actually help you grow your online business.